Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the secret of VideoExpress AI. I purchased this tool. If you are working on the uh, how to create the AI video, this is a very cheapest platform. Okay, so now I'm going to go to create the simple cartoon video, simple dialogue. You can see I have generated some prompt. Based on the prompt, the video has been generated. So here, this is a character, the Indian female teacher and Indian male students. These are the characters, two characters. Sitting the scenes, the beach action, teacher points towards the sea and waves. Here, here, this is a dialogue. Okay, so this is the grammar and cute 2D cartoon animations. All things I provided. Copy this prompt and click create text to video animation. Here you have to paste it to advanced, go to advanced. You have to paste it over here. Here you can choose vertical or landscape, whatever you want. Okay. So now at the moment I'm going to create a landscape. Okay. So click create video. Once you click create, your video will be appearing on your media library. Okay, so just close it, go to the media library and check it how your video look like. Okay, it is still creating. The video is still creating. You have to wait until the video has been created. Okay, so these are the videos I have created on that platform previously. Here, these are very good videos. You have to give this is a 2D cartoon animation. Okay, so the 2D is sorry, 3D girl and 3D rabbit walking on the road. That is a simple prompt I given, and it has been generated. The video look like this. This is a very good video. You can see this. These are the video. Generally, the when you surfing the YouTube, you can see this kind of a lot of videos. The people are this kind of a video. The people are making and make money online. Make money online. Okay, okay. So here, this kind of a simple video they are creating using online here. Very cute. Okay, so this kind of video you will be able to create via this one. Okay, so this here, so the another video I have, these are the animation video I have
Did
created.
you play football yes? Did you play football yesterday? No, I played cricket.
Okay, so you have these are the this is the video I have created for portrait. Okay, for this mobile view. So this kind of a dialogue. Okay, this kind of a cartoon animation also you will be able to create via VideoExpress very clearly. Okay, so the video has been generated successfully. You can see depending on your internet connection. So here that when you play this one, you can see here is the teacher. Okay, so I have given as a Indian culture. Okay, so you can given any culture. So
What did you do at the beach?
I swam in the sea.
okay, so how is it? This is a very good video. This kind of a video is viral when you are you can see there are a lot of videos online. This kind of a cartoon videos. If you are going to go to the YouTube channel, there are if you are planning to start a cartoon channel, this videos are very helpful for to this. AI is very cheapest AI. You can create that kind of a cartoon videos. The cartoon videos there are here you will be able to see here there are so much views. The children are keep watching. So you will be able this kind of a cartoon video. You will be able to create. Here this is a Mickey Mouse. This is here. This kind of videos are very people. The children are used to watching here. This kind of a video. So this kind of a videos. Okay, you will be able to create this kind of a platforms. Okay, this is helpful to hear this kind of a videos. Okay, so this when you create this kind of videos, what you have to do is first you have to understand the prompt. You have to intelligent with the prompt. Okay, prompt engineering is the best. Okay, first you have to go through the prompt. So how the prompt is working. So that each and every prompt you have to try out. Okay, this prompt I have uh, this prompt I try myself so that I get this kind of good animations. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.